Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
A blaring fire alarm can be stressful, but knowing how to reset it is a simple and important skill, especially when it's just a false alarm from something like burnt toast. The first and most critical step is to identify what kind of alarm you're dealing with. Let's start with the most common type, the individual smoke detector in your home. If you've set it off by cooking, the key is to silence it and then clear the air. Look for a button on the face of the detector, often labeled silence, hush, or test/silence. Press and hold this button for a few seconds. This should quiet the alarm for a few minutes, giving you time to handle the smoke. Open your windows and doors, and turn on a fan to blow the smoke away from the detector. Once the sensor is clear of smoke particles, the detector will automatically reset itself to its normal monitoring mode. Now, if your detector is making a short, high-pitched chirping sound every 30 to 60 seconds, that is not a full alarm. That is a low battery warning. To fix this, you don't reset it, you replace the battery. Gently twist the detector counterclockwise to remove it from its mounting bracket on the ceiling. Open the battery compartment, remove the old battery, and install a fresh one, making sure it's the correct type. For larger systems, like those in apartment buildings or commercial spaces, the process is different and involves a central control panel. Before you do anything, your absolute first priority is to confirm there is no actual fire. If you see flames, smell smoke, or have any doubt, evacuate immediately and call 911. Do not attempt to reset the system. However, if you are certain it's a false alarm and you are authorized to operate the panel, you can proceed. Locate the main fire alarm control panel, which is typically a red or gray metal box in a utility closet or near the building's main entrance. The panel's display will usually tell you what triggered the alarm, such as a specific pull station or a smoke detector in a hallway. The first step is usually to silence the audible alarms by pressing a button labeled Alarm Silence or Acknowledge. This will stop the deafening horns and strobes. After silencing the system and ensuring the source of the alarm is cleared, you can then press the System Reset button. You may need a key or a passcode for this step. The system will then attempt to return to its normal state. If the condition that caused the alarm still exists, it will likely go back into alarm. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this guide was helpful and gave you a little more peace of mind. If you found this video useful, please hit that subscribe button for more home safety and maintenance tips.